play tag, and you in for life. Yikes, you a clown, you for likes.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ahzharae. In this video, I'm going to be doing a DIY picnic. I did have a picnic for my birthday, and I just wanted to show you guys how I set everything up. Everything I got was from dollar stores or party stores, and it was affordable and cheap. A lot of the stuff I had already from my previous party, and I just set everything up. So from the balloons to the cups to everything, I will have listed below, and any other questions that you have, definitely leave them below. And yeah, so let's get into this video. For my picnic tables, I bought 2 4-feet low folding tables from Target. I'm gonna leave the links in the description box where I got it. And then this is going to be the table where I put the food and all of the pink items on this table. And I'll leave all of the tables that I got and everything in the description. Now it's time to set up this beautiful picnic. So these are all the supplies that I got for setting up the picnic. I got them from Party City, Burlington, Marshalls, Walmart. The big Walmart box is all the pillows I got, the pink pillows. I got about like 9 pillows. I'll leave the link below for that. These are little plants that I got from Burlington. They came made already. I just picked them up. 3, I got some shot glasses for the games that we're gonna play. I also got, these are treat bags that I'm going to put the treats in so that people could take the bags. They're like little souvenirs for the party. I'm gonna get those. And then I have napkins. These are pink napkins for the party. The party is pink themed, so everything majority is pink, white, pink, gold, things of that nature. I got these margarita glasses from Party City, and they are not set up. You have to set them up. I have these utensil sets. They are already pre-made. They're 10 in a pack that I got from Party City as well. I got some party cups for when we are drinking more stuff. The other glasses are for the table, and we're going to use them probably for like wine and stuff. I got some pink forks, spoons, and knives. I have, those are actually shower curtains. I use those as for the floor mats for the picnic because they're waterproof. We have pink balloons and everything. We have tablecloths for the picnic table, and those are the supplies. So what I'm doing now, I'm actually basically pre-blowing up the balloons. I'm going to pre-blow up all the balloons I have because I'm going to be getting my nails done today. Once I get my nails done, I cannot get the balloons together. And being that I am, matter of fact, let me turn this down before I get copyrighted. Okay, I had to turn the music off before I get copyrighted, but I'm going to pre-blow the balloons up. I'm going to blow them all up today because once I get my nails done and my hair done, I cannot be blowing balloons up with nails. Have you ever tried blowing balloons up with nails? It's hard. So I'm going to blow them up and put them all in the bags, and then we'll be good and go with the balloons. Hey guys, I am back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be doing my DIY picnic setup. Now, if you watched my last video, I had my own picnic party. I did it all by myself. I was going to pay someone, but they wasn't available. So what did I do? I decided to do it all myself. So we're going to get right into this. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and let's go. So I am right now setting up in the backyard. I am setting up the low folding tables. I got these 4-feet tables at Target. I had a hard time looking for them, but I just Googled it and found it. They're in Target, in the stores, and online. So basically, I got 2 folding tables. I was about, I would say, 10 to 12 people that were coming. So these tables are perfect to do low picnic parties in general. So what I'm doing right now, I am just adjusting the size. I want both of the tables to be even. I bought these tables at separate times, so they are the same height, but I think they're from 2 different brands, but one of them came higher than the other. So I'm just adjusting the tables right now to my liking to make sure that they are even. So when I place all of the picnic aesthetic things on the table, nothing will fall off, nothing will flop. These tables also have locks on them, safety locks, to lock the table so the table won't fall and injure anyone. And that's what I love about these tables. I am now going in with a tablecloth, a white tablecloth. I got these from Dollar Tree. You can find them from $1 and up or $5 and below. They have them, they're about $1, regular tablecloths. And I just put them on the table. One tablecloth is perfect to put on the table, and it's going to fit perfectly. Then I am just going to put it on the table, and then I am going to get the table runner. I bought this table runner from Amazon. It was about like $8, the long table runner. My theme is pink, so I am setting up the table with pink and white picnic theme things. And as I put the table runner on it, I'm also going to tuck the sides. The table runner is kind of thick, so I am right now folding it down to the liking of the table. And then this is actually the example. I have a waterproof slip on the floor right now. As you see, I got that waterproof slip from $1 and up as well. It's actually a shower curtain, and I just used 4 of them and put them on the floor. Now I am just setting up the actual plates. I got small plates and big plates. The small plates white and the big plates are pink, and I'm actually just setting them up on the table. I am setting them up now. I got also flowers, like rose petals from Amazon, and fake flowers, but not the stems, from Amazon. Those are the pink ones. The actual cups, I got them from Party City that I'm placing on there, and also the assorted napkin rings, I got them from Party City. They come pre-made already. You just put them on the plates. The vases and the roses that I got those from Burlington. They came pre-made as well. I bought 3 of them, and I just placed them on the runner with the flowers as well. And that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just putting all of it together, and then the cups, you have to put them together and actually place them on the table. So that is what I'm doing. I am setting up at the moment. All of these things are affordable, and you can find them at your local party stores, dollar stores, anything of that. Now, actually, when I was setting this up, it was definitely windy outside. So I made treat bags. These are like the little party favors that I make usually when I throw parties. So I made these treat bags, and I'm actually putting them in the cups to hold the cups down. So, because once I do this, I'm going to get ready and then prepare for the picnic. So I'm doing that right now, and I'm putting them all together on the things. I'm setting up more cups and making sure that I have everything coordinated on the table. I would say to anybody, if you're looking to do a picnic, have a picnic for your birthday, definitely don't even pay no one. Like, I spent probably under $100 to set this entire thing up. I set this entire thing up, and it came out perfect. It was simple, but yeah, it was so cute, and all my party themes are always. So yeah, so basically we wrapped party streamer around trees, connected them all the way back to the other tree, and then we just had balloons that were blown up and wrapped them around. At the end of it, we actually made a balloon stand. My mom made the balloon stand. We actually blew up a whole bunch of balloons and stacked them around like a lamppost that we had. And it's like a balloon, it's either a lamppost or a balloon stand, and we stamped them around. We actually wrapped the balloons around, and it came out so wonderful. And that was my DIY picnic setup. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is some clips from the picnic and also the setup table picture. I hope this is very helpful. I hope you guys have an amazing picnic as well. Set those picnics up and have a picnic party, okay? Period. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next video, I'm out.
Talk, but they got no mouth when money bag talk. It's quiet, ain't no back talk. Quiet, ain't no back talk.